My mission with Preferred Shore is empowering realtors to end financial suffering by unlocking their full earning potential with their career in real estate. Robert Milligan here, president of Preferred Shore, and today I would like to recognize a few agents who did just that in May, starting with our top individual associate, Carissa Pelchinsky, with $12.1 million in closed sales, followed by Gina Capelluti in second at $5.8 million, and we have Rich Tyson in third place at $3.6 million in closed sales. The top team in May is the Clayton Coastal Group with $9.1 million in closed sales, followed by the Thai Properties Group with $3.4 million, and we have the Gold Lux Homes Group with $2.2 million in closed sales. Our top small team in May is Jeanette and Jeffrey Scholl with $2 million even in closed sales, followed by Katie Cobb and Tara Miller in second at $1.7 million, and we have Peter and Renata Lascelle in third at $1 million even in closed sales. Additionally, we have the following agents who also closed more than $1 million in May. Congratulations to these agents and team leaders for positioning your customers for success in this dynamic market. We were fortunate to celebrate many agent anniversaries in May, and to recognize those agents, here's our Vice President, Valerie Jones.
We value the dedication, passion, and commitment of all of our agents celebrating anniversaries this month. Each milestone represents not just time, but the relationships you've built, the clients you've served, and the contributions you've made to our community and culture here at Preferred Shore. We're proud to have partnered with you on your journey and are honored to celebrate these meaningful milestones with you. Thank you to each of you for being an essential part of what makes our organization so special. We've also added some more talented professionals who joined the shore in May. To welcome those agents, here's our Vice President of Recruitment and Business Development, Olga Ovshian.
We are so excited to welcome the many talented and driven associates who joined the Shore family in May. Each new addition brings unique strengths, fresh energy, and shared passion for excellence, and we look forward to supporting your growth and celebrating your success as a part of our community. We also had the opportunity to celebrate many of our top performing agents from the trailing 12 months during our annual Inside the Barrel Sunset Yacht Cruise. It was a well-deserved evening of recognition, connection, and celebration for the agents whose hard work and results helped make the past year such a success. We are grateful for the dedication, professionalism, and the commitment these agents bring to their clients, their businesses, and the Shore family.
We welcome these new associates who joined the Shore in May and promise to do all that we can to support your success as you pursue financial breakthroughs with your career in real estate. Let's all work hard to serve our customers and make it another record-breaking month in June.
Preferred Shore is expanding nationally, and we're looking for the right people to grow with us. Go to ownbrokerage.com to schedule a confidential conversation.